You're going to sit on the floor. Oh, Spot is on the floor? Okay, let's read Spot. Mommy loves this book.
Dog.
Yeah, oh, yeah, Spot the
Cow.
dog. Count?
Not cow.
Oh, Clown. You want to read the clown book? Can we read
Choo-choo.
Choo Train? First, can we read Spot and then we'll read Train?
Hello.
Where's Spot? Come sit with Mommy.
Wow.
No? Okay, 1 second. I'll read you the Train book.
Mommy.
Mommy's crying? It's okay. Come.
Captain.
Yeah?
Captain.
The Little Engine That Could
Head.
by Waddy Piper. Chug, chug, chug. Puff,
Chug,
puff, puff.
chug, chug.
Puff, puff, puff.
Puff, puff, puff.
Ding dong, ding dong.
Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong.
The little train rumbled over the tracks. She was a happy little train, for she had such a jolly load to carry.
Boo-boo.
Her cars were filled full of good things for boys and girls to eat and drink and play with.
Hold you.
Wait, okay, Mommy's going to hold you 1 second. Whoa! It's not good to play on there, okay?
Water.